NextCloud is a powerful, open-source platform for creating your own file sharing and collaboration platform. It gives you the freedom and flexibility of self-hosting, putting you in control of your data. NextCloud lets you sync files across your devices, share them securely with others, and even edit documents collaboratively. NextCloud is a popular alternative to commercial cloud storage solutions. It is free to use and offers a wide range of features. Being open source, NextCloud benefits from a vibrant community of developers who contribute to its growth. NextCloud is easy to install and use, even for beginners. It's also highly customizable, with a wide range of apps and plugins available. In the following sections, we'll explore the exciting world of NextCloud development, empowering you to contribute to this amazing platform. Developing for NextCloud is a rewarding experience. You get to contribute to a project used by millions and learn valuable skills. Before you begin, make sure you have a basic understanding of PHP and web development concepts. To set up your development environment, you'll need a local web server with PHP and a database. NextCloud provides detailed instructions on how to set this up on their website. Once your environment is ready, you can grab the NextCloud source code from their GitHub repository. Now you're ready to start exploring the codebase. Familiarize yourself with the directory structure and the different components of NextCloud. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So pick a small task or bug fix to get started. Git is a powerful version control system that helps developers track changes to code. When working with NextCloud, you'll use Git to manage your code contributions. First, make sure you have Git installed on your system. Next, clone the NextCloud repository to your local machine. This creates a copy of the NextCloud codebase on your computer. You can then create a new branch to work on your changes. A branch is like a separate copy of the code where you can make changes without affecting the main codebase. Once you've made your changes, you need to commit them to your branch. A commit is like a snapshot of your changes. Make sure to write a clear and concise commit message that describes the changes you made. This helps other developers understand your contributions. NextCloud utilizes different branches for managing code. The master branch holds the latest development code. Stable releases like 25.0, 24.0 are dedicated branches for those versions. When developing new features or bug fixes, always create a new branch from the appropriate branch. For example, if you're fixing a bug in the latest stable release like 25.0, create a branch from the 25.0 branch. This ensures your changes are targeted at the correct version. Branch names should be descriptive and follow a specific format. For instance, bug fix/fix login issue or feature/add calendar integration. This helps organize your work and makes it easier for other developers to understand your contributions. Section 5. Making your mark, contributing through pull requests. Once you've made your changes and committed them to your branch, it's time to share them with the NextCloud community. You do this by creating a pull request, or PR, on GitHub. A PR is a request to merge your changes into the main codebase. Before submitting a PR, ensure your code follows NextCloud's coding standards. You can use a code linter to help you with this. Write a detailed description of your changes in the PR description. Explain the problem you're solving, the approach you took, and any testing you performed. Other developers will review your PR, provide feedback, and may request changes. Be responsive to feedback and address any concerns raised. Once your PR is approved, it will be merged into the main codebase. Congratulations, you've made your contribution to NextCloud. Section 6. Squashing bugs. A primer on bug fixing. Finding and fixing bugs is a crucial part of software development. NextCloud has a dedicated issue tracker where users and developers report bugs. Before you start fixing a bug, make sure you can reproduce it. Once you've identified the bug's cause, create a new branch to fix it. Write a test case that exposes the bug. This ensures that the bug doesn't reappear in the future. Then, fix the bug and make sure all tests pass. When writing your bug fix, keep your code clean, readable, and well documented. Follow NextCloud's coding standards and best practices. Thoroughly test your fix to ensure it resolves the issue without introducing new problems. Section 7. Backporting, bringing fixes to older releases. Sometimes bug fixes need to be applied to older versions of NextCloud that are still supported. This process is called backporting. NextCloud has an automated backporting system, but manual backporting might be necessary in some cases. Automatic backporting applies fixes to older branches based on specific criteria. However, not all fixes are suitable for automatic backporting. Manual backporting involves cherry-picking your commit from one branch and applying it to another. When backporting manually, ensure the fix applies cleanly and doesn't introduce conflicts. After backporting, thoroughly test the fix in the older version to ensure compatibility and stability. Section 8. Exploring further NextCloud documentation and resources. This guide provided a basic overview of NextCloud development. To dive deeper, explore the comprehensive documentation and resources available on the NextCloud website. The documentation covers everything from setting up your development environment to advanced development topics. The NextCloud forums are a great place to ask questions, get help from other developers, and engage with the community. You can also join the NextCloud IRC channel for real-time discussions. Remember, the NextCloud community is welcoming and supportive. Don't hesitate to reach out for help or share your knowledge. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the world of NextCloud development. Contributing to NextCloud is a rewarding experience. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can make a real difference in the world of open-source software. Start with small contributions, learn from experienced developers, and gradually expand your skills. Remember, every contribution, no matter how small, is valuable. Embrace the collaborative spirit of open source and enjoy the journey of learning and growing as a NextCloud developer.